Hey, good morning, everyone. This is Free Trader. I'm back on YouTube. I have been out of YouTube for a little while. It's almost a year now. But as you guys know, I was really busy with some other stuff. So I'm back. I'm back because I keep receiving a lot of questions and, and comment from my YouTube subscribers. So I have decided to come back, and I want to say thank you all. Thank you for the support. I know you guys have shown me a lot of support, so I've decided to come back, and I'll be uploading at least once a week. So this is my YouTube channel. I'm um I'm actually a small YouTuber. I don't have a big fan of people like people that are following me. But it's just the way it is. I don't complain about my statue. So this is my channel. I have a lot of stuff on there, and I want to take this 1 minute to reintroduce my channel. My channel is mostly about the stock market. I only talk about the stock market. I don't talk about anything else. This is what I do. I trade. I invest. This is what I do. So my channel is only about the stock market. If you can see, uh, all the things that I post, they are related to the stock market. And the last time I posted is almost a year ago. And as I said at the beginning, I did have some personal things to take care of, so that's why I didn't have the time to post. Even till now, I'm still a little bit busy, but I'm gonna make up a schedule that I'll be posting at least once a week. Okay. So now, what is my goal on YouTube? So being being back on YouTube, I have made a I have made some type of changes on my channel. So I'm gonna divide my channel in sections, and the first section gonna be keep it simple. The second section gonna be investment ideas, and the third section gonna be making of the market. Okay, so I'm gonna try and explain it a little bit for all my subscribers so you guys can understand how I'm gonna function. Okay, so one of the things that I notice is a lot of people overcomplicate the trade. So in this keep it simple, I'm gonna show ways to simplify the entire process of trading stocks. Okay, I'm gonna show you the simplest way to do it, the way that you will not overcomplicate your trade. This is what I'll be talking about in this section. I will talk about some little strategies, price action, all those things. That's what I will be talking about. How to use indicator, how to choose time frames. Those are things that I will be talking about in this section, which is called Keep It Simple. Okay. Now, the other section that I talk about is investment ideas. Okay. In this section, I will show you easy strategy of investing in the stock market. How do you invest in the stock market? How do you invest with options? How do you protect your portfolio with some options? Okay, these are things, investment idea. When do you want to buy stocks? When do you want to put your money in the market? When is the time? Things like that. I will talk about at the time frame to choose when you are investing. Those are things that I'll be talking about in this section. Okay, and I will share my personal picks and skills. Okay, the skills that I use. I'm not charging anyone for any fee. I'm doing it for free because I have a lot of friends that sometimes they come to me, oh, well, what do you think about this stock? Instead of talking to just those person, I can put it on YouTube and they can view it, and other people also can view it. Okay. And the last section gonna be making of the market. In this section, I'll be reviewing the major indexes Okay, the benchmark, the sectors, the Dow, the SPY, the QQQ, those are things that I'll be reviewing, and we can see the sentiment of the overall sentiment of the market. Those are things that I will be going through in this section. So I have 3 sections. Those are the sections that I'll be talking about in my channel, because I noticed that I used to do it, but there was a little. I was a little bit. Okay, how am I gonna put it? I was a little bit messy. Okay, my things were all over the place. My upload were all over the place. So I've decided to put them in section. So when I come in and I say keep it simple, you know I'm gonna be talking about day trading. I'm gonna be talking about strategy. When I'm talking about investment idea, you know I'll be talking basically about investment. Okay, those are the things that I'll be talking about. So now I think that's the introduction for today. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and hit the notification bell, and stay tuned. You'll hear from me at least once a week. I'll be uploading, and I mean I will give you a lot of information. Now it depends on you how you're gonna use them, and all the information that I'll be giving on this channel is not a recommendation to buy or to sell any security, but it's just for you to make a proper decision. Thank you again, and thank you for your support. I want to give a big shout out to Life with Rosie. That lady, she's awesome. She was the one supporting me, and because of her, I have to come back on YouTube. She was on my back, like, "Yo, free trader, you gotta come back." So I want to say thank you, special thank you to her, and you guys can check out her her YouTube channel. It's Life with Rosie. Everyone, have a beautiful weekend. Bye bye.